what guys, today I received this electric spin scrubber. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what comes inside. Okay, so inside the box, we're gonna find this bag. Okay, so that way we can go ahead and put the spin brushes here. We're gonna be included a manual with everything that comes in the box and instructions on how to use this. This right here is gonna be our electric spin scrubber, okay? It does have a battery indicator right here, okay? And you can press it multiple times for different speeds. One of the setting is 200 RPMs, the other one is 300 RPMs. On this black plastic, you're gonna be able to remove it, and you can actually charge this with a Type-C charger. Okay, we get this extendable pole. The way to put it together, you're gonna put these two pieces and screw them in like this. And you have the option of extending it even larger, okay, right here, by just twisting this part right here. And once you get to the desired position, then you just lock it in again, and then it stays in place. Also inside the box, we're gonna get a USB cable, USB-A to Type-C. Also, you're gonna be included 6 types of replacement heads, okay? This is the round brush right here. This is a white flat brush. This one right here is a corner brush. This is actually very useful, especially for the bathroom or even the shower, you know, to clean those corners. You're gonna be able to use this. No more having to kneel down and, you know, scrubbing on your knees. You know, now you're gonna be able to do it with your spin brush. You actually get a fiber sponge right here, and you get a large cloth. In order to use these two elements right here, you're gonna have to use this, you know, head right here, which has a Velcro on it that you're gonna be able to stick right here, and that way the scrubber doesn't go anywhere. And in order to actually remove it, all you have to do is just pull it out, okay, and then replace it with the other one, okay? So this goes directly to your spin scrubber. Now this is waterproof, okay guys? So you can actually take it with you to the shower. You can actually be scrubbing your shower while showering. You can use it for your vehicle. You can use it to wash your dishes. You can use it to actually scrub the floor. You can use it for so many applications. You can use it to scrub your dishes. You can actually use it to clean the shower. You can also use it to clean your sinks. You can actually change the heads if needed, depending the work they're gonna do. And you can continue cleaning. You can also change the round brush to actually clean the toilets. You can use it for a lot of applications around your home. It is an essential tool for cleaning your home. Also, whenever you're done using your electric spin scrubber, you can go ahead and store everything inside this bag. Everything fits perfectly, and then store all this away. I hope that the information in this video was helpful. I definitely want to thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.